Never eat flax seeds. With these 5 foods, flax seeds are healthy, no doubt, but pair them with the wrong foods and they can wreck digestion, block nutrients, and mess with your hormones. Most people do this without realizing it. And the worst part? The damage builds up quietly until your gut, skin, and energy levels crash. Let's break it down before it's too late. Flax seeds are powerful, rich in omega-3s, fiber, and plant-based lignans that help balance hormones, support heart health, and fight inflammation. But when eaten the wrong way, especially with these 5 foods, those benefits don't just disappear. They can backfire. This isn't fear-mongering, it's fact. If you're adding flax to your smoothie, salad, or breakfast bowl thinking it's helping, you might be blocking the nutrients your body needs. Why? Healthy eating can quietly wreck your health. Just because you're eating healthy doesn't mean you're doing it right. People often combine superfoods, flax, spinach, yogurt, soy milk, expecting a health boost. But healthy foods don't always work well together. Some combos cancel out nutrients, disrupt hormones, and overwhelm your gut, even if each food alone is healthy. Think of it like premium fuel in a car with the wrong engine settings. Great ingredients, wrong environment. Flax is a perfect example. It's loaded with fiber and omega-3s. But it also has phytic acid and plant estrogens, which can interfere with nutrient absorption and hormone balance if combined wrong. You won't notice it right away. You'll feel bloated sometimes. You'll get random breakouts. You'll feel tired even after sleeping 8 hours, and you'll think it's age or stress, when it's really your food combinations. So instead of asking, "What should I eat?" start asking, "How do these foods interact inside my body?" Because flax seeds plus the wrong ingredients can quietly undo everything you're trying to fix. If you've been eating flax daily, or plan to, hit the like button and keep watching. These 5 combos could be hurting your health without you knowing. 1. Flax seeds plus high oxalate foods, spinach, beets, almonds. Let's start with a surprise, spinach. Yes, it's healthy, but also high in oxalates. Oxalates bind to minerals like calcium, zinc, and magnesium, forming little crystals your body can't absorb. Flax already contains phytic acid, which also blocks minerals. Put them together, and you're robbing your body of the very nutrients that power your brain, muscles, and bones. A 2015 review in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition found that phytic acid can reduce mineral absorption by up to 50%, especially when combined with oxalate-rich foods like spinach or beets. Quick tip: making a smoothie. Swap raw spinach for kale. It's way lower in oxalates. 2. Flax seeds plus soy-based foods, tofu, soy milk, edamame. Here's where things get hormonal. Both flax and soy are phytoestrogens, compounds that mimic estrogen in your body. A little can help with balance. Too much can create chaos. When you combine soy and flax daily, you're flooding your system with estrogen-like compounds. And this adds up over time. A 2013 study in fertility and sterility found that excessive phytoestrogen intake, especially from flax and soy combined, can disrupt endocrine function in both men and women. In women, this can worsen acne or mess with your cycle. In men, it can lower testosterone and boost belly fat. Pro tip: if you're eating tofu for lunch, skip the flax that day. Let your hormones reset naturally. 3. Flax seeds plus raw, cruciferous veggies, broccoli, kale, cabbage. These are great for detox, but not raw and not with flax. Raw cruciferous veggies contain goitrogens, which can disrupt your thyroid if eaten in large amounts. Flax also contains cyanogenic glycosides, which release small amounts of cyanide, usually harmless but stressful for your thyroid if combined with goitrogens. If you already have thyroid symptoms, cold hands, fatigue, brain fog, this combo can make them worse. Tip: lightly steam cruciferous veggies before adding flax. Heat reduces goitrogens, making this combo safer. 4. Flax seeds plus heavy dairy, milk, yogurt, cheese. This one flies under the radar. Flax has ALA, a powerful plant omega-3. But when you combine it with heavy dairy, you slow down fat absorption. Why? Dairy contains saturated fats and casein, which slow digestion. That delays or blocks flax's omega-3 benefits. Plus, if you're even slightly lactose sensitive, this combo can cause bloating, gas, and fatigue. Swap suggestion: use almond or oat milk instead. Easier to digest, better for nutrient absorption. 5. Flax seeds. Plus blood thinners: garlic, turmeric, aspirin. Last one, and this one's serious. Flax naturally thins your blood, which is usually great for heart health. But if you also take blood-thinning meds, like aspirin or warfarin, or eat lots of garlic, turmeric, or ginger, the combo can increase your bleeding risk. What to do? If you're on blood thinners, talk to your doctor before taking flax daily. Avoid pairing it with high doses of garlic or turmeric in the same meal. Why this matters more than you think. You might be thinking, okay, but I don't eat all these foods together every day. But that's the thing. Habits. Most people repeat meals. Same smoothie every morning. Same salad every day. That's how these combinations quietly cause problems. When you constantly pair flax with mineral-blocking, hormone-altering, or blood-thinning foods, you slowly wear down your digestion, hormones, thyroid, and energy. The signs? You feel bloated. Your skin breaks out. You're tired, even with enough sleep. You take supplements, but blood work still shows deficiencies, and you blame stress or age. But the real culprit? Food synergy gone wrong. Flax is amazing. If you use it right, flax is not the enemy. It's one of the most powerful superfoods, when used wisely. Here's a quick recap of what not to mix flax with. Spinach, beets, almonds, high oxalates. Soy milk, tofu, edamame, hormonal overload. Raw cruciferous veggies, thyroid stress. Milk, yogurt, cheese, slows fat absorption. Garlic, turmeric, ginger. Plus blood thinners, bleeding risk. Instead, pair flax with berries, oats, chia seeds, avocado, steamed veggies, almond or oat milk, olive oil or healthy fats. You'll get all the benefits without the side effects. Which of these surprised you most? Drop it in the comments. And if someone you know adds flax to every smoothie, please send them this video. If you want simpler, science-backed wellness tips, hit that subscribe button. Eating healthy isn't just about the food, it's about how your foods work together. That's where real healing begins.